Hi there, do you notice that the Denyo DLW-500ISW has a smart state label on the machine? Well, what does that signify? Let me share with you more about it. Have you ever forgotten to turn off your welding machine after an operation due to forgetfulness or carelessness? This will result in increased fuel consumption and causing excessive carbon emissions. To address this concern, our DLW-500ISW is designed to stop the engine after a preset duration of idling. But that is not all about it. With the smart state system, all it takes are a few simple taps on the base metal for the engine to restart, thus increasing efficiency and productivity of work. This will allow the user to resume the welding operation even if the welding machine is a distance away. To find out more, visit our website or email us at sales@sg.denyogroup.com for further discussion. Thank you.